What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk Vids. I know a lot of you are gonna be in your motherfucking feelings that I'm back in the building, but for you, individually, please go eat a dick. For everybody else, hang out and enjoy today's video. We have a Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck. I'm gonna get this thing out of the box, and then I'll end up setting it up, or we'll get it out of the box. We'll look and see what's in the box. I know you've probably seen a bazillion of these fucking unboxings at this point, but we'll go ahead and get into it, and then we'll see what comes in the box, and then I'll give you my 24-hour first impressions. I have a bunch of phones here to unbox, from the OnePlus 12 to the Pixel 8 Pro to all kinds of stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we got to peel these little tabs on the back, and then we'll pull this apart. Ooh, which should give us this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful phone right here. Now, I got to be honest, you can clearly see some of the difference in the design language on this phone, but it's not as crazy as people have made it out to be. Saying that, oh my God, this phone is so similar to the S23 Ultra. Yes, in design language, but once you get this thing in your hand, it's very flat on the corners. I like the titanium build. It clearly feels lighter in the hand. You still have your S Pen, so shout out to all the Note Squad and all you Samsung Knights, you scumbags, and everybody else that's in there that, depends on that S Pen for the scumbag ability to, circle and edit and all the other stuff that you're able to do on this phone. All right, what else do we got in the box here? We got another piece of cardboard, and I'm gonna guess, if I guess right, I'm guessing there's nothing else in here except a charging cable, right? Yeah, that can stay right in the box because I really don't give a shit. The rest of it, though, interesting. I gotta be honest, it's kind of interesting to see that it's here. We got it in here on deck. Ugh. And of course, it doesn't want to fit back into the little pack. Go in your home. Anyways, all right, we got this in here. We'll box this back up. God, this has got to be the cheapest. I get it. I understand why Samsung is trying to save money, but I'm willing to bet that the unboxing experience on the so I know I got this one set for T-Mobile, and we'll go through the entire setup process on this. I can tell you right now, with the flat screen, I'm already more of a fan of the S24 Ultra than I am even of the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the current daily for me, which is the Pixel 8 Pro. So we'll see. We'll do a direct head-to-head comparison between this one, and what's coming up next. We'll unbox this one here very soon, so stay tuned. But anyways, there you guys have it. Just a quick unboxing video, you savages. I am back. People have been clamoring on the other channels for me to come back and bring back these savage-ass reviews, so we're going to do it. That also means that we're going to have to bring back the low light camera test. So we're going to have to see, to
turn on accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Nobody was asking for accessibility mode, Bixby. All right, we were looking for tip drill mode, all right? We got to see what the durability is of the S24 Ultra, so we're probably going to have to hit a strip club at some point and swipe this between some butt cheeks. I don't know how that's going to work. We'll see how that goes. And we'll probably get into a low light camera test. I don't know. But anyways, stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you a fan? Do you like the new S24 Ultra? And stay tuned. We will have a full review on this coming soon with lots of other comparisons.